Which riding lawnmower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Lawnmaster MEB 1114K electric mower. Let's talk about the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K electric corded lawnmower. Priced at just $119.99, this electric mower caught my eye with its lightweight design and powerful performance. If you want an eco-friendly option that's easy to maneuver, this is worth a serious look. Power is a big deal, especially when tackling thick grass. The MEB 1114K delivers 3,300 RPM, which means it can take on your yard without you needing to break a sweat. Plus, with a 15-inch cutting width, you can cover ground quickly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable height settings allow you to customize your cut from 1.4 to 3 inches. So whether you want a clean trim or a longer finish, it's all up to you. And you'll appreciate the 7-gallon collection bag that keeps the mess at bay as you mow. Now, some people complained about the corded design, saying it limits range. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized yard and don't mind staying close to a power outlet, that shouldn't be.
All right, we just covered the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K, a lightweight electric option that's easy to use and budget-friendly. If you're looking for more power or a wider cut, you might want to explore other options in the riding mower category. But this one is definitely worth a look for smaller yards.